teach you guys how to use the advanced round robin plugin here on Mark Villa's account. So to get into the after installing the plugin, you'll see a couple new modules up here in your module menu. So you want to click the little three dots here, go down to round robin settings. Alright, you see I already have it configured for Mark Villa's account. So what I'll do is I'll go through and set up a new setting just for the sake of learning. Click the little plus sign up here to add a new setting. Round robin setting is the name of the sales rep. Now if you want to have maybe Amber Scavone 2 or Amber Scavone alternate lead sources, or whatever, it doesn't matter. You'll understand in a second once I go through how to set this up. Email is ascavone@panagrams.com, so that's the sales rep's email address. Round robin setting owner is the owner of the setting that we're setting up, so it's Amber. Percent is the weighted distribution. So what I've done for Mark's particular needs is just evenly distribute everything out over overall 6 reps. So I was using 16 and 17%. So you just plug in a number, and that determines the percentage of leads that are going to go to that particular rep. Now everything else you can ignore. Alright, field criteria. This is the tricky part. Alright, here we have the lead source, and we have the different lead sources that are going to be distributed between that rep and the other reps that have this particular lead source. So it is in JSON format, so that means it starts with a curly brace. Your key is in quotations. Then you're going to put a colon, and then you're going to put your values in quotations. Alright, so each value has to be separated by a comma and a space. It's very important that you do that. So you can see I just have the different lead sources set up as the values here. Of course, it ends with a quotation, and it ends with a closing curly brace, as they call it. So I'll provide like a template for you. You don't have to worry about that. If you want to add new lead sources to that rep, then we go with, I don't know, let's just say chat, just because I know you don't want that in here, but that's something that's coming off the top of my head. We can say DFX, Facebook. Let's say that's a new lead source you guys add, comma, space, and each one you want to add, you just add a new, a new lead source to it, separated by a comma, within the quotations for the values there. So hopefully that makes sense. You guys can get creative on how you want to use this. Let's say you want to have an alternate set of lead sources that you only want to distribute between, like Amber and Hollywood. That's a cool name. I don't know if that's a real name or if it's just a pseudonym. So you want to split them up 50-50. You can set up like Amber, Scavone 2, and then also a separate setting for Hollywood, and then the extension will actually only distribute those particular lead sources that you set up between those 2 reps. So get creative with it. Hopefully this gives you a good explanation on how to use this. If you have any questions, obviously ask me, and we can go from there. Alright, enjoy.